Hello guys, today I will show you some interesting details about Revolut Ultra. As you can see, Revolut Ultra is a platinum plate card. Also, if you will use it, you will have a lot of benefits such as NordVPN, WeWork, Pixart and Deliveroo and many more for free. And also you can earn up to 1% cash back on every transaction. If you go on vacation or business trip, you have access at 1,400 plus airports, lounges worldwide. The cryptocurrency integration on Revolut Ultra is impressive as well. While Revolut has always been known for its crypto support, this new version allows for more extensive cryptocurrency trading options. Users can now trade a wider range of digital assets and access real-time market data, which caters to both novice and experienced crypto enthusiasts. Another highlight of Revolut Ultra is its investment platform. These features provide users with the ability to invest in various financial products such as stocks, bonds, and exchange trade funds, ETFs. And the seamless integration between traditional banking and investment options make it convenient for users to diversify their portfolios without the need for multiple accounts. Overall, Revolut Ultra appears to be a solid upgrade for users who want more comprehensive banking and investment services alongside the convenience and innovation that Revolut has always been known for. Whether it's the exclusive perks, enhances cryptocurrency capabilities, or investment opportunities, this premium offering has something to offer to different users. However, as always, it's essential to be carefully consider your financial needs and usage patterns to determine if the additional cost is worth the extra features provided by Revolut Ultra. So that's it guys, hope that this video will help you and we will see in the next videos.